Creativecrambo here, back with another one. Yeah, so I managed to get all these this Alfagrog bagged up. Just chipped away at that during the week after work, and I've done various sizes. I'll put the big ones in there first, then any little voids I can chuck these ones in, little small ones there. So I made different sizes. Still got a couple here to finish off. Just got to tie the tops of them. So I'm all ready really. Got my flat hose connected. Had to do a little adjustment on the ends of these. That being a 2-inch pipe there. My blue flat hose wouldn't fit on the 2-inch one, so all I've done is bonded a smaller pipe inside that one, just so that flat hose there can fit on the end. There she is there. Double up your Jubilee clips just in case. And yeah, so this is the barrel I've got to drain down. So in there we got 200 litres of water. Should be easy enough to drain down, easy enough. Got my valve there, water comes out there straight into my drain. When I've drained this down though, what we'll have to do is turn off the pump to my skimmer, as the water level in the pond will drop, and therefore it won't be dropping into the skimmer. So once I've drained this off, I'll unplug the pump to the skimmer. So the quickest and easiest way to do this, drain off over 200 litres of water. It's just like that. Comes out at quite a force. See? I'll just hold that for a second. You see down there? So yeah, got to drain all that off. I'm actually going to turn that pump off now to the skimmer. And then yeah, I'm going to get all my Alfagrog in there. Happy days. Yeah, I'm also going to put in the barrel this bit of pipe work I've made up. All this lets me do is blow air down the top. It'll travel down there. I've got loads of holes in the pipe work there, and what that allows me to do is stir up all the muck and dirt when I do a flush out, and just gets rid of all the muck and dirt in the bottom. But yeah, easy to make up. Just blow air down there from the top, air will travel down the bottom, bubble up any muck and dirt, then I can drain all that off. Yeah, so I've dropped that bare pipe work in there now, just lies in the bottom like that. I'll probably just turn it around so it's a bit more squarer like that, but then that just stays in there. So yeah, all ready for my bags of Alfagrog. Yeah, so I've got all my filter wool cut up now. I do them that sort of size just for cleaning out really. Don't need to be too big. Yeah, as you can see, it's a windy day. Just wanted to show you the sizes I use. Yeah, so I'm going to put these in the barrel at the very end. the last thing your water needs to touch before it returns back to the pond is this stuff. That collects all the nice fine stuff, muck and dirt, and it's great gear to use. That's the sizes I use, roughly. Yeah, so I managed to get 90 kilograms of bagged Alfagrog, all in that barrel, all ram packed in there, and I've topped that off now with a nice layer of filter wool. I'll just quickly show you where the Alfagrog is. It's pretty much to the top, all ram packed with a nice layer of filter wool. Happy days. Yeah, so I'm just going to top up my water. Just drained off 200 litres of water in one of my barrels. So this is the method I use. I use the same method all the time for topping up the water, whether I'm draining off or just doing a 10% water change. I use the same method all the time. So I've got a 75 litre tub, and I've worked out the ratio for the 75 litres is 2.5 millilitres of your dechlorinator. I'll just pop that in there. We'll let that fill up. I'll do this about, probably works out about 6 or 7 times, but normally I've got a height where I normally stick to. So, quite an easy process, but I just do the same thing every single time. Also next week I've got a great video for unboxing, an unboxing video coming next week. All been well and done with the delivery. So that's something to look forward to. I'm going to crack on with this. I'd like to say thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit that notifications. And I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, just going to show you a little feature on these cable ties. The ones I've got have this angle bit here. So that just makes it easier for when you're threading it in. Many a time I've done it the wrong way around, but with this sort of type you can't go wrong. It's angled there at the end like that, and it goes in that way. Good little tip.